Yo, what's going on, fishing friends? It's your boy Dan the Fish Man, back at you again with another fishing video. I'm out here, Sunset Beach, about to get it in, try to jig for some pompano for a little bit. I got a few spots in the area. Beautiful, beautiful the morning, guys. No one's out here, by myself. Stay here for a little bit and jig. Incoming tide, as you can tell. Pretty much this would all be underwater here in a few hours, so let's get after it, guys. I don't got time to waste. Throwing a 1/2 ounce pink and pink. You already know. Let's see if they're ready to bite, guys. Let's do it. Let's go. All right, guys. First cast. Just gonna send it out there. Woo, don't fall. Fall in on my first cast. All right, guys, I'm having to work for it a little bit. So the jetty's there. There's a lot of grass in the water, so I'm gonna try to get over here to this clean water, see if maybe I can find them. It's never easy when pompano hunting, but you always hope it will be. But it makes it that much more exciting when you do get them. So like the grass comes out to here, so I'm gonna try to fish over in this area here. The pomp's like that clean water, and the water is crystal clear right now. So if I can find them, they'll be chewing. Hopefully. There's a fish right here that wanted it. Just a little baby. Ladyfish right here. Little guy. Oh, that's a good fish. Oh, that's a good fish. Hasn't jumped. Maybe it's a targeted species? Little jack. This is a catch. It's a good sign. All right, let's hit the next spot. Let's go. I don't know what it is. Ooh, little poopy. Little jack. Blue runner. Blue runner.
What is it, Pompano?
No, I wish. Just a blue runner.
Oh, yeah. How's the fishing today? Good?
Blue runner, ladyfish.
Oh, yeah?
So, okay, better than nothing.
Yeah.
Maybe pompano, what do you think?
Oh, yeah. You can catch.
You think I got one? Hey, is that electric?
Yeah.
That thing's sweet, dude. Can you take it on the sand?
Oh, yeah.
Nice. That's awesome.
I love it, man.
So big lady. Ooh, bait. I'm gonna take that for offshore bait. All right, we got some bycatch, so that's cool. We'll take him offshore. Those red groupers, the red groupers really enjoyed them last time. That was nice. That's a nice sign. Maybe we'll see some pompano if I can ever get this thing undone. All right, let's go. All right, we're gonna hang out here for a little bit, guys. It's a good sign. I'm walking it. I'm doing the walk. I'm just gonna start here. And since there's plenty of room, let it hit. And then we're just gonna walk it this way. You don't have to kill yourself jigging and you're moving. That guy's still, he's angry. Shut up. Reel out of some slack, and that's what's been working. I think you stay on the bottom a little bit more this way. I don't know. It's not gonna work, of course. I was just walking it. Oh, a head shake. Ah, he's stuck. Get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there. Good job, buddy. Yee. See ya. Oh. Pump. Small pump. That is the targeted species. Let's go. All right. I got to reset my Pompano. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, man. I got on the side. Slippery. Oh, sorry, buddy. Man, these guys are. Just a little guy. Targeted species. Let's go. GoPro, stop recording. All right, well, I was gonna move, but then I just caught that pompano. So I'm gonna go grab my stuff and move it up over here. Let's go. Targeted species acquired. All right. Got this little juvenile pelican hanging with me today. It's actually really cute. Let's go. Maybe we can get into a pompano bite. All right, Mr. Pelican. Hey, see ya, dude. Hey. All right, you don't care. See ya, buddy. Yeah, you do care. All right, on to the next one. Productive. Got some bait, and I got the targeted species, although not a big one. All right, let's go. Go. All right, guys, I'm at my last spot for the day. It's looking good already. Water's moving, birds. Let's put my stuff in the shade and let's get to jigging with it. Scott might come down here and fish with me. That would be awesome. If not, I'm solo jig session. Last stop for the day. Let's go. Yes, sir. All right. Got the white and yellow with the pink. Just gonna rip these out here. Water's super clear, guys. Super clear water, man. Oh. Scott said he'd hit a couple yesterday, so fingers crossed. I think I'm gonna need to put a heavier weight on. This is a good fish, guys. This is a good fish. Oh, it's a ladyfish. It's a good sign though. Ooh, he stuck it. Like I said earlier, if there's ladyfish, there's Pompano. We're gonna bring him over here. And we will take him. Like I said, I don't need him, but we'll take him for bait. Nice grade of ladyfish today. Ooh, sun came out, guys. It's getting hot. Got about another half hour. Just gonna put in some work, drink some water, take a seat for about 3-4 minutes, and then get back to it. What a great day, man. Woke up, got to see my kids, see my wife. Got to do some fishing, got some lunch with my wife, and then could see my kids for the rest of the day. Hey, if you haven't lately, just get up and make yourself happy, man, because if you're not happy, you're never gonna make the ones around you happy. You know, whatever it is, if you need to go golfing, if you need to go get your nails done, I don't know, whatever it may be, whatever puts a smile on your face, satisfies your soul, do that, because life's too short, man. Gotta live it. Let's go. Come on. Oh. What's going on? Ah, GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Oh, that's another ladyfish. Good one. Man, the water is crystal clear. Oh, it's a Spanish. Is it? What do we got going on here? Oh, it's a ladyfish. Oh. See ya. Easy release, just the way I like it. All right, oh, there it is right there. Awesome. On the goofy jig, yo. All right, fishing friends, that's all she wrote. Hey, this video is brought to you by Bay Pines Bait and Tackle. Go check them out. You need Pompano jigs, goofy jigs, they got them. This is what I was fishing with today. Pink and pink on the Calico Jack, 2500 pen. That's all you really need. 15-pound braid, 20-pound fluorocarbon, that's Seagar inshore. Bridges, passes, jetties, moving water. The water's crystal clear right now. That's definitely a big positive factor. There's some sheepshead down there. So yeah, if you can find some moving water, that's what you want to do. Drop it down, jig up, see what happens. Great way to fish, an awesome bait. I highly recommend it. There's Doc's goofy jigs, all sorts of different stuff. Wacky jigs, banana jigs, all different kinds of jazz, but you get the idea. A jig and a teaser, a couple jigs and a shake, and you got a fish on. So hey, appreciate y'all coming along with me. I had a great day. If you haven't lately, get up, get out, go fishing. Until next time, guys, tie lines.